Myself Khalil. Today I'm going to demonstrate Spring Boot with EventHub configuration. Uh, yeah, to make this video very short, so I already configured everything so that I'll going to go on through whatever I did for this project. Don't worry. So I'll share the GitHub link in the description. It's fine. Let's get started. So yeah, to do this one, I added a few dependencies with the Spring Boot and Kafka streams and Kafka and all. So comes to application at AML. This is all the configuration. It is similar to Kafka configuration only. The new thing is the SASL and JAS configurations. So these three properties are required. It's a connection string of Event Hub, so that you can found in the Azure Event Hub instance. So the mechanism is plain and the protocol type that we are using. Uh, yeah, these are all things. And comes to producer. So producer is nothing but we are using Kafka template as a producer. Add all configurations in the application at properties that you have seen, and to send a message. So I'm using a controller. This is nothing but like it's a normal REST controller. So I'm passing one simple string. It will delegate to the producer. So in the sense, so I'm sending the topic with the message and the partition of 12. And comes to consumer. This is somehow interesting. And yeah, in real time scenario, we are facing issues with the error handling cases. So that I want to cover here. So when it comes to retrievable topic, so it is nothing but like it will provide some retrievable mechanism. So it will retrieve for items of two. So you can define here, and we can provide the backup configurations, and we can have the error prone messages like error messages, save strategy. So where we can save the error scenario messages like whatever in real scenarios, like if we may receive any messages. Meanwhile, if you are getting any exception in the code, the error need to be handled, right? That error need to be stored somewhere. So we are storing in a topic itself. So we are creating a topic with a some strategies that we have. So you can google it about this one. So we have two kind of strategies. So I'm using the index value strategy. So and the DLD strategy is nothing but like we have three kind of strategies here. So if you find fail on error, is nothing but like it will handle the error at the time of fail. So no DLT, no handler, always retry, always retry until it will get succeeded or it will get committed to uh, auto create topics false. So it's another interesting one. So if you include any exception here, right? So then only DLT handler will handle the exception. Like in real time, we are going to throw our customized exception. So you can add your a number of customized exceptions here, placing a comma. Right now, I'm in exception class only. So like this to demonstrate you guys. So I'm just using the arithmetic exception, and I will add. Some snippet to throw arithmetic exception. So that's what I provided here. So let's start this server. I'm just starting. Yes, it will started. Yes, I just cleared everything. just started. So let's open the Postman. So I'm running my server on 8088. Yes, 8088. And I'm going to send a message of word. Okay, let's see. Yes. So when I send a message, the sent is successful. Message sent successful in the producer. Message sent. So in the consumer, so I can see message received. Yes, message received. Hello world. So let's try the handler scenarios. So no, I'm putting a counter as well. Yes. So let's stop the server and create an error scenario here. Maybe to try to provide a arithmetic exception. So this will cause arithmetic exception. Will perfectly suit for this scenario. And I'm going to run the debug mode. And hello uh, error case. Running the server. Let's see what happened here. So yes, so yeah, I'm having uh, the error scenario by 0. So after trying 2 times, so yes, in DLT handler after failing. So if you see in DLT handler after failing, like I provided 2 items. So let's see like whether it get into the uh, consumer for 2 times. So I add the counter. So in consumer, the counter value is 1. In consumer, the counter value is 2. So it try to consume the message for 2 times, like because we provided the items as 2, so it is working fine. And after 2 times error, so it will call the DLT handler. So handler, we here we can add any um, cross case scenarios or handling scenarios. So you can add here the DLT handler. So yeah, this is all about this one. So the major one is I want to show like if you want to consume a particular partition messages, so you can use this annotation. So you can consume particular partitions. Yeah, uh, that's all guys. So like if you like the video, please mention your comments and like the video, and do subscribe for any other new technical videos. Thank you.